we'll do anti-spin in overhand because that's your strong one. Overhand, anti-spin, but with your left hand. And then with your right hand, you do a big circle. In overhand. Well, you could do it underhand too. Both work. Here's one way to work on this. Do the left hand one time around in the anti-spin. Do the right hand one time around in the in-spin. Do the left hand one time around, the right hand one time around. Left hand one time around, right hand one time around. And then all you do is both. When you feel it, when you're ready, then try both. Now, the thing that you have to remember when you do both is the left hand has to go 3 times as fast as the right hand, because you're doing 3 rotations in the time it takes 1. Okay, here's how I would recommend that you play with this particular move presently if you decide you want to practice it this week. I would do a bunch of these and figure out inside your body how you experience that rhythm. And then at some point in time, just try and throw 1 in. Now, you'll notice when I put the other hand in, how much my left hand sped up. So it might be better to start out going, right, going faster. And then going around with the other hand, right? So I'm doing it fast, I'm doing it fast, I'm doing it fast, and now, oh, that one time around with the other hand. I'm doing it fast, I'm doing it fast, I'm doing it fast, and then that one time around with the other hand. That is a hybrid. A hybrid is a movement where each hand is doing something different. In this case, we're doing in-spin versus anti-spin. We did 2 different examples of that because earlier we did this one, briefly, where the left hand was overhand, I believe, and the right hand was underhand. And we did like this, where the right hand is doing the 2-pedal in-spin and the left is doing the 4-pedal anti-spin. It's just a different version. So it's a different type of polyrhythmic. Now the 2 verse 4 I think is slightly easier to learn in some ways because you can stop halfway through. Overhand with the right, underhand with the left. So here's what we're gonna do. The left will go up, the right will go down. The left does anti-spin while the right does in-spin. Yes. Then the left goes down, the right goes up. The left does anti-spin, the right does in-spin. Then the left goes up, right goes down. Left does anti, right does in-spin. Left goes down, right goes up. Left does anti, right does in-spin. I'm doing it now in split time. Left goes up, right goes down. Left is anti, always. Left goes down, right goes up. Left is still anti. Left goes up, right goes down. Left is anti. Left goes up, right goes down. Left goes up, right goes down. Left goes down, right goes up. Left goes up, right goes down. I think that one's easier to learn than the 0 verse 4 in some ways. This, where you did 1, then 2 beats, then boom, then 2 beats, then boom, then 2 beats, then boom, then 2 beats. So all you have to do is take out the second beat in each of those positions to get it. So you're close.